How to create a YouTube channel on mobile. So first you're going to open the YouTube app on your phone, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. From here, you're going to tap on accounts at the top left corner. From here, going to select or add a primary Google account you want linked to your channel. So for example, we are going to select another account right here, this one. Now, once we're in this, we're just going to head back here. We're going to tap on create a channel right here at the under the name. And then from there, what you're going to do is you're going to enter your full brand name and unique custom channel handle into the text fields. Now, what you're going to do is you're just going to tap on the create channel. Now, if you also want to add a profile picture, you can do so by clicking on your profile picture icon right here at the top, and then you can just use another editing app so that you can edit your photos from there. And now you finally have your channel created. Now you can also add a personal YouTube banner by clicking on edit channel right here at the top, and then you can see a banner that will appear right here. You can set your pronouns, you can change your channel URL, or you can copy it, and then you can also add a description right here. Then you can also add, or you can toggle your privacy right here, whether you want it to be private or not. Now, once everything is set, your brand new YouTube channel is ready and completely initialized and ready for video uploads. And that's it. If you're interested, I have linked the product link down below.